Hey everyone, today my recipe very delicious dum aloo curry. It is very easy but it will take time. Take 3 to 4 medium size onions, wash well, then cut into medium size pieces with the skin only. Then fry on high flame. Just fry 30% only is enough. I am frying the potato in, in two batches. These are approximately 250 grams of potato. Now fry sliced 2-3 onions for brown onions. Keep on stirring. It will turn to brown color. Then you can take to plate. Potato and onion ready. Take medium size 3 tomatoes. Then grind it. Like 1 cup of curd. Beat well. Add tomato puree. It will give little bit sour taste. Beat together. Take 1.5 inch of ginger and 6 to 7 garlic, then 2 green chili, grind it, then add it to curd. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 full tablespoon of cumin and coriander powder, half teaspoon green red chili powder, and 1 full tablespoon of good quality biryani masala. Beat all the ingredients. Now add 1 teaspoon of black salt, half teaspoon of white salt. Then add onion fried oil 2 tablespoons. Then beat again. Add 1 onion cut into big pieces. Then half of the fried onions I am adding here. Rest of the onions I will use for another recipe. Add potatoes. Then add 2 tablespoons of only mint leaves only. Mix well. This recipe is very easy. Within home ingredients only we can do this recipe. This is very delicious. You can, if you have any guests or friends, relatives, you can do this recipe. Marinate for 3 hours. Later 3 hours. Then mix once and take a kadai. Add 3 tablespoons of onion fried oil. Onion fried oil will give the extra taste to our dish. Then add marinated potato. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Mix gently. Then place a plate. Pour 1 cup of water and leave it for 20 to 25 minutes on low flame. After 25 minutes, it will cook well. You can observe the smell. It's a very, very good fragrance. Check if potato cooked or not. Well cooked. This is ready. Now, finally add fresh coriander. You can serve this for jeera rice or ghee rice or any masala rice or white rice. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos and give a like, comment, share. Thank you for watching.